Get the ball. Go get the ball.
Look at the ball.
Go get the ball.
What kind of ball is it?
It's just a tennis ball for a dog. She'll chase after it.
Can I throw it to Shadow?
Yeah. Darcy, look. You're gonna get your ball.
Shadow.
Good boy.
He'll eat it. He'll swallow it.
Uh-oh. That's kind of funny.
You gonna throw it?
Yeah.
Alright, get the ball. Let's go see Mommy. I wonder if I should at least put the south
I would. It's moving this way.
in. Was it windy when you were in it?
I bet.
Just coming straight
Just
down.
coming straight down.
Well, it'll be all right.
Can you get in there?
Yeah.
Hold on. There you go.
Fun.
You need some help?
I can't do this.
You can.
Yeah.
You do it all yourself, huh?
Can I bring my pet back?
You sure can.
Gary! And what's that sound?
It's the thunder. Do you hear the thunder?
Yeah. That's kind of
Yeah, it's gonna rain.
yeah. Got it.
There we
Where'd
go.
Daddy go?
I don't know. He'll be here in a minute. We're gonna go see Mama. Where is she? What's the name of the place she works?
Crown house.
Korean house?
Uh-huh.
Is it good food? I
Yeah.
hope so. I'm hungry. How about you?
Yep. There's ice cream too.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Uh-oh. We better get some of that. You think?
Yeah.
We better get some.